Very good evening, students. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology Program, and it's free coaching classes for Nmms 2024-25. All right, now we are moving on to mental ability. Today's very interesting topic as usual. Let's see. We will discuss today another type of questions which will appear in the mental ability section. So we have to select which figures will fit into each other. Now let us try some examples. All right. So you can see here which figure will fit into the question figure. So you have the question figure here and you have the answer figure here. All right. So you have to match. So which will exactly suit or which will exactly fit into the question figure. This is what you need to choose. All right. So here you have four options. So obviously the first option only would match. So like this, you will get different varieties of problems in mental ability section. All right. See here the next one. Let us see how. See how beautifully this is getting fitted into, right? So which makes a circle, isn't it? All right. See the next question figure, you have this. And which will fit into this? Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? All right. So you need to think, visually you need to imagine, okay, how, which would fit into this. Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? Being the first sum will do it for you. It should be D because you can see the upper part of triangle that would fit here, and where it has a mountain like, but here it has a plain one. Okay, so sufficient space is there so that these both will get fitted into. All right. Yes. See how beautifully this is being joined. All right. See the next question. Yes, the question is here. 3, 4, 5. So 5 triangles are there. So the two portions you have to choose from A, B, C, or D. All right. So this is also very simple, in fact. So let me give you a few seconds so that you can think and give the answer, which would best suit for this. All right. So definitely, how many are there? Okay. So how many are there? You have here, here. Okay. So which would be the best fit? Is it 3 or is it 2? I'm sure it would be an option either between A or B, but you need to count the number of triangles. All right. So I'm sure you would have opted for B. Option B and C are similar, but option B should be the best fit. Option A you cannot include because we need 3 triangles. Why C cannot come is because the last circle portion is not highlighted. All right. But B is the exact figure. So B is the right answer. All right. Now let's move on to the next question. Which figure will fit into this? So your question figure is here and write your answer figure. 4 options are there. Is it option A? Is it option B? Is it option C? Or is it option D? All right. So you need to choose the best fitted answer. All right. So not more than 30 seconds should be taken to answer such questions. All right. Because mental ability is supposed to be the very easy one. So you can save time in this and spend time for other mathematics and science oriented questions. All right. Let's see the answer. It should be option B. All right. Yes. I'm sure you would have given the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. The question figure is here, and which would best suit? Is it A, is it B, is it C, or is it D? Okay, so that should make the square. Fine, so one triangle is missing, which would, after getting fit into the question, this would form a perfect square, right? All right. Yes. So I think by now you would have selected. Let's see the answer. Yes, it is option C. All right. Yes. Let's move on to the next question. So your question figure is here. Which would be the best fit? Is it A, is it B, is it C, or is it D? Yes, it should be D. All right. So it cannot be A or B or C. It's very obvious that the shape would not get fit into it, isn't it? All right, let's move on to the next question. So I'm sure time would be given for this so that you can choose and then give the correct answer. Yes. Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? All right. Pretty simple one. Not much of confusion, I'm sure, about this. So I'm sure by now you would have chosen the correct answer. Let's see the answer. Yes, it is A. All right, it is A. Fine. So if you would have chosen, then definitely your answer is right. Yes. Let's move on to the next question. See the question figure and what would be the best fitted answer figure for this. All right. Is it option A? Is it option B? Is it option C or is it option D? Yes. I'm sure by now you would have chosen the correct answer. Should it be A, B, C, or D? Let's see the answer. It is option A. All right. Definitely B, C, D would not fit into the shapes, which would make a circle. All right. See the next question. Which figure would fit into this? Your question figure is here and your answer figure is here. 4 options are there. Is it A, B, C, or D? All right. So you need to choose the best fitted figure for this. Let's see. All right. So you have A, you have B, you have C, you have D. So now whatever is a question figure is there, that should get fit into A, B, C, or D. All right. So till the earlier slide, what we were seeing was from to the question, like whatever was the option available, A, B, C, D, that we tried to fit. But here, the question figure must fit into the answer field. All right, I'm sure you would have understood. It is option C. If you would have opted for answer C, then your answer is perfect. All right, see the next question. Your question figure is here, right? So what is the best fit? Is it option A, B, C, or D? All right, students, so not more than 10 seconds can be given for this because these all come under the logical thinking category, though it is coming under the mental ability. All right, so let's see. The answer is option A. All right, see the next question. So we have the question here and we have 4 options. Is it A, B, C, or D? Which would be the best fit? I'm sure it's easy to answer this question. Not much of difficulty would be there, right? Yes, let's see. Yes, it is option D. If you had opted for option D, then your answer is perfect. All right. See the next question. You have the question figure here. All right. So your answer figure is A, B, C, and D. Right. So what would be the best fit? Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? So time is given to you, students. So quickly you need to choose and then give the correct answer. All right. Yes. So fine. So it is being option A. That would be the best fit. All right. See the next question. The question figure is here and we have four options. Option A, option B, option C, and option D. So what would be the best fit? So definitely it would be either A or D, right? Only that would get fit. But whether it is A or whether it is B, you need to choose based on the semicircle leg. All right. So I'm sure by now you would have found out, yes, it should be option D because in option A, the semicircle like it's very small, but in D it is big. All right. Yes. See the next question figure. And what would be the best fit? Is it option A, B, C, or D? Yes. So not much time can be taken to answer such questions, which is supposed to be the very easiest one. All right, let's see. Let's see the answer. It should be option B. If you had opted for option B, then definitely your answer is right. All right, see the next question. This is supposed to be the very easiest one. Yes. All right, fine. Is it option A? You would have seen the question figure. Is it option A? Is it option B? Is it option C? Or is it option D? Right? Yes. So not much time can be taken to answer such questions. You need to think little logically and sometimes your logical imagination would give you a good hand for this. That would be the best choice. All right, it should be option A because this is like a keyhole, isn't it? So in the keyhole, the same keyhole only can fit into it. All right, see the next question. Your question figure is here. And what would be the best fit? Is it option A, option B, option C, or option D? Yes. You need to really quickly give the answer for this. Is it option A, B, C, or D? Let's disclose the answer. It should be option B. All right. See the next question. So your question figure is clear. Your answer figure, you have four options. Yes. So this should make a proper square. Is it A, is it B, is it C, or is it D? Very simple one, right? A, B, C are similar, but D is something different. So that you would have noticed, right? So with this, we'll see what is the answer. Yes, it is option D. So option D would be the best suitable fit answer for this. All right, see the next question. This question seems to be very simple and very, what to say, very clear, isn't it? Yes. So your question figure is here and you have four options for your answers. Is it A, B, C, or D? You just have to see which would fit. Okay. So by now you would have decided the best suited answer for this. Yes, let me go. It should be D. So D only could be the best fitted answer. All right, see the next question, right? So you have like a W shape. So which one would be best fitted for this? Is it option A? Is it option B? Is it option C? Or is it option D? Yes. Quickly think over it. And decide your answer. Is it option A, option B, option C, or option D? And your answer must be option C, no other options, because that would be the best fitted one. All right, see the next question. Your question figure is here. Your answer figure, you have four options, option A, option B, option C, and option D. All right. So, some sort of imagination would definitely help you. The small kids, you would have seen them solving the puzzle, right? So this is also one kind of puzzle only, where you have to choose and fit it. Let's see the answer. It should be option A. All right, see the next one. So your question figure is here. And what would be the best fitted answer figure? Is it A, is it B, is it C, or is it D? Yes, in fact, I don't think any confusion would arise because of this. Very simple. It is option A. If you would have opted for option A, then your answer is right. All right. And this is all the more very easiest one. So the question figure is here. You have four options, A, B, C, and D, which would be the best fitted one. All right. So it cannot be D because it is out of shape. So it cannot be B also because B cannot be fitted. It cannot be C. So now you need to choose between A, B, and C. All right. So how do you choose? Let's see the answer. It should be option A. That would be the best match and fitted one. All right. Now let us discuss another type of questions under mental ability, counting the figures. Very interesting one. Count the number of triangles. So if I say, you will all say that there is only one triangle. No, but there are many triangles inside the triangle, right? See here, the highlighted one in red. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So type 1 is 4. Okay. 1, 2. So type 2 is 2. Type 3 is again 1. So the total is 4 plus 2 plus 1. All right. Yes. Now, how many squares are there in this figure? So squares, it's simple, isn't it? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Then see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then that's type 1, one box square. Next you have the 4 1 is 1, 4 box square is 2, 3, 4. Isn't it? So the 4 box square is 4. Next, the full one is 1. So it is 14. Right? So there are 14 squares in this figure. All right. See the next one. Count the number of triangles in the given figure. Right? So I think I can give you time for this. Don't take more than 1 minute because it's supposed to be a very easy one. So you need to first count type 1, type 2, and if possible, type 3. If there is possibility of type 3, even that has to be calculated. Let's see how many of you are able to give the right answer so that, you can pat yourself. Yes, good, I know something. And my answers are right. All right, so time is done. See here, you have one triangle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So very small triangles, you have 9. Next, you have, see here, medium sized triangle, you have 1, 2, 3. So small triangles, 3. The big one is 1. So it is 9 plus 3 plus 1, which is 13. If your answer is 13, then definitely you need a big applause. All right. So I'm sure you would have enjoyed our session today. So thank you so much for your attention. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology. And I'm sure we'll meet very soon with yet another very interesting topic. Thanks for watching.